Anita Matriculation High Secondary School proudly presents Dazzler Show of Dancing Digits, Fine Arts Expo and Contest to commemorate Mother Anita Memorial Day on November 17th, 2020.
தெக்கணமும் அதி சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே
அத்தியக வாசனை போழணி துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ்வதற்கு இந்த பெரும் தமிழனகே சீரிழமை திறமையந்து சேர்மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing sent from the Savior above.
Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
There shall be showers of blessing, precious reviving again over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
Every morning you go two choices. Either continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase those dreams. Pleasant morning one and all. It's my pleasure to welcome everyone to our beautiful venue. I heartily welcome our chief guest, Madam Vanishri. On behalf of Anita Matriculation Higher Secondary School, I feel proud to extend my welcome to our renowned correspondent, sir. Cheerful Secretary, sir. Gorgeous Madam Secretary. Respected CEO, sir. Vibrant Principal, ma'am. Beloved teachers and sparkling smart cookies in this wonderful occasion. Dazzler show of dancing digits. Once again, we welcome you all to the great art and craft exhibition. Thank you.
A mother is she who can take the place of all others,
but whose place no one else can take.
Mother of all kind makes the existence of life,
but Mother Anita, the noble soul,
the principal reason for the existence of this
Great institution.
Anita Matriculation High Secondary School.
Let's pay tribute to our Mother Anita.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். அம்மா, அழகு தமிழில் அமுத வார்த்தை அம்மா. அம்மா உறவின் சிறப்பென்ன? என் எண்ணத்தில் தோன்றிய சிறு அலசல்கள் இது. சின்ன சிறு பிள்ளையாய் இருக்கும் போதே அவளுக்கு தோன்றும் அத்துணை சத்து பொருளையும் தான் மட்டுமே கடைசி வரை ஊட்டி திருப்தி அடைவார். பார்த்துருக்கீங்களாங்க? குழந்தைகளுக்கு அவ்வளோ பொறுமையால குடும்பத்தில் உள்ள யாராலையும் சோறு ஊட்டிட முடியாதுங்க. ஆனால் தாய்மார்களுடைய ஒரே நோக்கம் தான் கொண்டு வந்த உணவு அந்த பாத்திரத்துல என்ன செய்யணும், காலியாகும். அவ்வளோதாங்க. குழந்தை தடுக்கி விழுந்துட்டா தங்கமேன்னு வாரி அள்ளி விட்டு கண் கலங்கிய பிள்ளைய கூட சிரிக்க வைத்துடுவாள். அவள் தாங்க அம்மா. தான் பிள்ளைய எப்படி சிரிக்க வைக்கணுங்கிறது தாய்க்கு தெரியுங்க. குழந்தைய பார்க்க வந்த சொந்த பந்தங்கள் எல்லாருமே நீ டாக்டர் ஆயிடு, நீ வக்கீல் ஆயிடு, நீ எப்பனாலும் படிச்சு கலெக்டர் ஆயிடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொஞ்சம் போது சாப்பிட்டு நல்லா இருந்தா போதும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறதாங்க ஒரு தாயோட அதீத அன்பின் வெளிப்பாடு. ஒரு தாயோட அதிகபட்ச ஆசை என்ன தெரியுமா? தான் பசங்க நல்லா இருக்கணும், அவங்களுக்கு தேவையானது எல்லாமே கிடைக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதாங்க. தான் பெற்ற பிள்ளையின் நன்மையும் தாண்டி தன் சுற்றத்தாரும் நன்மை பெறணும் அப்படின்னு நினைத்த தாய் தான் நம்ம அனிதா அம்மையார். தாயின் எண்ணத்தை மெய்ப்பட வைத்த பிள்ளையின் சிறு முயற்சி தாங்க இந்த அனிதா பள்ளி. தாயின் ஆசையை தன்னோட ஆசையா ஏற்று நடுத்தர ஏழை எளியோருக்கென்று ஆங்கில வழி படித்தல் என்ற எட்டா கனியாக இருந்த பெற்றோருக்கு கையிலே அள்ளி கொடுத்தார் போல மாணவர்களுக்கான முன்னேற்ற பாதையில் எல்லா வசதிகளுடன் கூடிய ஏணியாய் நம் பள்ளி திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. தாயின் விருப்பத்தை நிறைவேற்றும் மகனுக்கு உறுதுணையாய் அவரின் தந்தை மற்றும் தமையன். மாணாக்கர்களின் முன்னேற்றத்தில் தம் பிள்ளைகளாய் எண்ணி கடமையாற்றும் அன்பு குடும்பம். மாணவர்களை ஊக்கப்படுத்த அவ்வப்போது பல போட்டிகள் நடத்துவது நம் அனிதா பள்ளியின் சிறப்பு. அனிதா அம்மையாரின் பிறந்த நாளான இன்று குடும்ப நபர்கள் அனைவரும் இணைந்து இந்த கடின தொற்று காலத்தை நேச தொற்றாக மாற்றி மகிழ்ச்சியில் திக்குமுக்காட வைத்து விட்டனர். தலைமை ஆசிரியரின் முயற்சியில் கிடைத்த மகிழ்ச்சி தான் The Dazzler Show of Dancing Digits. அனிதா அம்மையாரின் உயர்வான சிந்தனையில் பிறந்த இப்பள்ளி விருட்சமாக செழித்தோகட்டும். அம்மையாரின் ஆன்மா நிம்மதி அடையட்டும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
The strength of the mother is like no other. The family tree stands with the help of motherhood. Likewise, this esteemed institution was formed only with the will and wish of her mother Anita. She had an utmost passion towards education. She was a kind-hearted woman to help the poor and needy. Mother Anita learned unknown languages which would help her children's studies. She dreamed of an institution that would give the good quality of education to all in society. Her dream came come true through her energetic son, that is none other than our beloved correspondent sir Vasanta Vikas. Now the children offered quality education with the love and care. The students' community receive benefits due to the adorable mother and the benevolent son. Thank you.
Mother Anita is the salt of the earth. Mother Anita is the guiding star in the sky. Mother Anita, the immortal soul, known for sympathy and sacrifice.
Her village the born into fruit, her humbleness burning agony, her nobleness waxing adoration, her nobleness waxing adoration.
Mother Anita, noble in thoughts, lives in everyone's lovable heart. Mother Anita's perspective was seeded in her son's mind, that's now grown into testimony. Anita Metric Higher Secondary School, that's now grown into testimony. Anita Metric Higher Secondary School, Anita Metric Higher Secondary School, serving as a spring for knowledge creatures. Anita Metric High Secondary School, serving as a sanctuary for knowledge seekers.
Mother Anita is the salt of the earth. Mother Anita is the guiding star in the sky. Mother Anita, the immortal soul. Mother Anita, the immortal soul. Mother Anita, the immortal soul. Mother Anita, the immortal soul.
Greetings everyone. Art and beauty go hand in hand. I am obviously overjoyed to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest.
She has proved herself as the best woman entrepreneur in this surrounding.
She is bestowed with the Best Beauty Parlor in Virudhunagar in the year of 2018 by South India Business Award held at Mysore.
It's my pleasure to introduce Palki Bloomsky Beautician.
In 2017, certificate and advanced course on bridal makeup and hairstyle was offered by Attitude Salon and Academy, Mumbai in India.
She is interested in all kind of artworks and dance.
She is also Board of Studies member in Triple B College. A warm welcome to our chief guest, a beautiful beautician and the best woman entrepreneur, Mrs. Swanistry.
Good morning everyone. I render my sincere thanks for having invited me as the chief guest of this beautiful event, feeling pleased and excited to be a part of this respected institution, Anita Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Art is everywhere in the entire world. Look at everything around you. You will see that everything you see shows an art, especially the clothes you wear, your hairstyle, your dress, etc. Being a beautician, I relish the art of makeup and hairstyles in my day-to-day life. Art is something that makes you breathe with a different kind of happiness. It can be in different forms like music, photography and paintings. They help in relaxing one's mind. My fellow friends, art is universal and is everywhere. Because without art, one cannot see anything beautiful. So try to involve yourself in as many as possible. Enhance your artistic skills, listening to music, playing, dancing, drawing, etc. So thereby you elevate your positive vibes and enjoy a peaceful state of mind. I'm sure you guys are very lucky being a part of this wonderful institution, because Anita Matriculation Higher Secondary School is offering you a very big platform to showcase your artistic talents. So make the best use of it and rock the stage. Thank you.
Hello, Anurmati. What are you doing? Hey, I am trying to portrait a woman. But why don't you get a clear idea? Hey, I am intention about the competition. That's why you are not getting the clear idea. Relax yourself and try it, Anurmati. Don't you know about me? From our school day onwards, I know to draw only amoeba, because amoeba has no shape. That's fine, Anurmati. Haven't you heard that patience is the place where the idea of imagination and creativity grows? Is it so? Only through course. Sasi, why don't we tell the achievements of some famous personalities who are the secret artists in their life? Is there anyone like that? Not only one, many. Can you say your favorite dancer? My favorite dancer, Michael Jackson. Yeah, everyone knows him only as a dancer. But apart from that, he is also a good painter. At the age of 9, he had drawn the portrait of Charlie Chaplin. That improves a lot and he became the famous artist. Wow! My Momo hero is an artist too. Let me try like my hero. Bye! Bye! Joy Shack is joy double. Sorrow Shack is sorrow half. Knowledge Shack is knowledge multiple. Let's share the inspiring highlights of few important personalities who are in one artist. That's right, Sasi. Now let's see the amazing things about these actors. Kavita, can you guess who was the famous Hollywood actress, model cum singer in 1950s? Sasi, was she Marilyn Monroe? Yeah, Kavita, you are right. She has been the subject of many artworks. Her masterpiece was the dedicated watercolor of a rose, which was gifted to the President John F. Kennedy. This extraordinary talent in her made a fantabulous actress in Hollywood. Sasi, let me tell the dictator of Nazi party in Germany, Mr. Adolf Hitler. Hitler aspired to become an artist, but he didn't. That's why he can't be able to control his mind and he became the dictator. That's fine, Kavita. There are many achievers like Prince Charles, the great politician Mamata Banerjee, Vladimir Putin, George Bush. Those one in one artist. Sasi, after hearing your speech, really I am very much excited to know about this artist in detail. I am going to surf in the internet about them. Let's have a move. Bye, Sasi. Bye, Kavita. உலக புகழ் பெற்ற பாப் சிங்கர் மைக்கேல் ஜாக்சன், உலகமே வியந்திடும் மிகப்பெரிய பணக்காரர் பில் கேட்ஸ். இந்த மேம்பத்தில் காட்டும் வழிவன்றை வரைதலும் வண்ணம் தீட்டுதலும் நம் மனம் வரம்பு மீறாமல் ஒருமுகப்படுத்தி நம் உயர்ந்த நற்பண்புகள் சீர்பட வாழ வழிகாட்டும் என்பது அதிக நிச்சயமே. Art is a medium of communication, imagination, creativity, concentration, uniqueness, keen interest, fascination, patience, perseverance, perfection, strong will and endurance. And there are n number of qualities to be an excellent artist. So,
artistry. Always pave the way and lay the carpet of flowers and adorn the crown of victory for one's achievement and accomplishment. Let's be an artist. This art skill will sketch your beautiful life and depict your bright future. நம் எண்ணங்களை பல வண்ணங்களாக காட்டுவோம். கை வண்ணங்கள் மிஞ்சட்டும் வானவில்லை, அருவியாக கொட்டட்டும் நம் வர்ணனை. புயலும் பூகம்பமும் எறும்பும் காட்டாற்று வெள்ளம் போன்ற நம் மனம் அமைதி பெறட்டும், மனதனிமை பெருகட்டும். So, artwork and artistry always pave the way for achievement in one's life. Thank you.
Art is that in which the soul, heart and body of the human go together. Here is our dazzling stars' best creation, who have made their imagination as real exhibits.
எண்ணற்ற புராண கதாபாத்திரங்களை ஓவியங்களாய் நம் கண்முன் கொண்டு வந்து நிறுத்திய இந்திய ஓவியரான ராஜா ரவிவர்மாவும், இந்தியாவின் பெரிடா காலோ என்று புகழப் பெறுபவரும் அஜந்தா குகை ஓவியங்களையும் இந்திய தொன்மை கலைகளையும் உலகறிய செய்த பஞ்சாப் சீக்கிய பெண் ஓவியரான அமிர்தா சேர்கில் இவ்விரு உயரிய கதாபாத்திரங்கள் மேலோகத்திலிருந்து பூலோகம் வந்து டாஸ்லர் ஷோ ஆஃப் டான்சிங் டிஜிட் என்ற ஈவெண்டிற்காக அலங்கரிக்கப்பட்ட நம் பள்ளியின் ஆர்ட் கேலரியை கண்டு நம்மை வாழ்த்து வந்ததாக கற்பனையில் சித்தரிக்கப்பட்ட நிகழ்ச்சி இது. வாருங்கள் காண்போம் இவ்விரு ஓவியர்களும் என்ன உரையாடி இருப்பார்கள் என்று.
Wow, Anita School structural designs are architecturally splendid and luminous.
Haji, it's extraordinary vivid and its infrastructure are illustrative artwork.
It's wonderful to see school management craftsmanship work.
Of course, that's why we have been invited for this function.
Warm welcome, sir.
Thank you. Warm welcome, ma'am. Thank you.
I request both of you to take this mask and sanitizer.
Why do you all wear masks like robbers?
Amazing. Is it for talk less and eat less?
Maybe talk less to work more and eat less to live long.
Good change in the 21st century. No, we are wearing masks in order to prevent the corona.
Oh my God, human race is under threat.
We live safely and peacefully without any precautionary measures.
Yes, we enjoy our life without pollution and germs.
Till 2019, we too had no restriction and no fear about germs. In 2020, Corona clipped our wings.
We too feel happy to have a trail in following the new rules. Please wear it, ma'am. Pleasant morning on and all.
Today, Anita School is celebrating National Show of Dancing Digits to commemorate Mother Anita Memorial Day. On this auspicious occasion, we got two special guests to visit our art gallery.
These two special guests are living in the third world and they are indulged by the splendid displays of arts and crafts work in our school. They got a permission from our Heavenly Father to visit our school art gallery.
We are immense pleasure to introduce these two noble souls who have taken a great avatars and visit our school art gallery.
Do you miss Uncle?
Sure. He is celebrated an Indian painter born in Spice Garden of India on April 29, 1848. His mother was a poet. His father was a Sanskrit scholar. Hindu epics were read by him and the epics were chosen as a subject for his masterpiece.
He is none other than the Raja Ravi Verma, the Great. Now let me give some clues to find the another special guest.
Yes, please give some clues.
She was distinguished Hungarian Indian woman painter, born on 30th January 1913. And UNESCO announced her 100th birth anniversary as the International Year in 2013. She started her career at the age of 19. She is known as the woman artist of the earliest 20th century.
She is Amrita Shergill. Now students, let us stand up and give a big round of applause to our special guest Sri Ravi Verma and Madam Amrita Shergill.
Heraldic colors paints remain me and take it to my golden days. Haji, Hare Wah, idhar dekho, pot paintings and acrylic paintings are fanciful. Wow, great! Yamunda Kantitila students have exhibited their artistic skills. Crafted do badiya, belle belle. In Ramavan recognized my artistic talents. Kafi acha, but these students are recognized by the teachers. Amrita, how did these people know about us? Art is eternal and your paintings are immortal. Angrayano, amazing! Even in 2014, a film based on your life was released on title Rang Rasya, Colors of Passion. Adipoli, glad to hear it. In 2008, a set with 11 paintings of yours entered the Guinness Book of World Record. Artistic profound level of this generation is unparalleled. Such a birth, they are enjoying this lockdown life pretty carefully, though I am interested. My contribution pura nahi hoga. Ille and Samori, your work was marvelous. Lovely, abhi hai mujhe pata. Art is a kind of communication to express our feelings. Exactly, art is a way of expression, way of joy and way of making people understand. Everything that is beautiful is art. All God's creation are beautiful. The array of art done by the members of Anita family. It filled our hearts with joy and peace. Thank you for everyone who invited us. We had a great time here. Bye bye. God bless.